everything what you do, you have to go pay for. You talk, you have to go pay for. If you yarn, you have to go pay for your belch, you have to go pay for your fart, you have to go pay for your...
Hey, my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall skilla! Hey, what my people? Dancehall skilla there again, you know? Blessed manners and respect to each and every one. Alright, my people, so... over the years, I get to understand that social media is a place where a lot of people share their opinions and their views and stories and so forth. You see what I say? But people, I am going to present a video to you, and I want to listen to some words that a person said in the video that I'm about to present to you, my viewers subscribers. Now, I want to make it very clear that I am not able to confirm if the words that the person said in this video are accurate and are even true pertaining to what the person was talking about. But I want you to listen to what the person said in this video. And leave a comment or comments to let me know what you think about what the person said in this video. Observe with my people.
Yes, my people, you hear me I say now? I beg you to just take the time out and hear what I say. You see, all of the drivers them where they out there, I beg you now. Don't walk with no driver's license in a Bedford. If you don't even do have no driver's license in a Bedford, make certain send money in a Bedford. Yeah?
At one time I wonder why.
I show you a thing, you know. In a crossroad, police them stop me. Yeah? And after them stop me, them say papers and driver's license and whatsoever. Anyway, I give them the papers them. Them say driver's license. Anyway, my driver's license was in my billboard. So I go in my billboard for my driver's license. You know, say through the boy see the money in my billboard. He beg me $1,000. And I tell him, say, I can't give me $1,000 because the $1,000, yeah, I forgot to pay for my baby graduation. So I never have no extra, so I can't give me $1,000.
Yeah, yeah.
And my people want to like and share that one for me. Trust me. Yeah, I want to like and share this. You know, say after the police take my papers them and run through it, and him say everything up to date. Him not find nothing on the vehicle to charge me for. You know where man give me 2 tickets for? Just through me tell him say me can't give me $1,000 out of my picnic graduation money. Yeah? I have to pay for the package. The package for my child. We are going to graduate from school. The one dead money me have. And the policeman look for me and give me one $2,000 ticket. The seat belt. Yeah? Wish me have on my seat belt now. Tell me now, how can me like police? In go back again. And you know when do again? And give me a $10,000 ticket. Yeah? And give me a $10,000 ticket. $10,000 ticket. Give me. I know when give me the $10,000 ticket for speeding. Come on, my people, now tell me the honest truth. Who know crossroad? Who know crossroad? Till Monday, where Friday was holiday. Till Monday in a 9:30. What kind of speed? Me cannot speed in a crossroad in a 9:30 in a morning. Eh? Who know say, who know crossroad and half a tree know say no lie me I tell. In a 9:30, bumper to bumper. Bumper to bumper. Half a tree and crossroad, New Kingston, name it.
Traffic.
Bumper to bumper. I give me a $10,000 ticket. Say me a speed. And go back and give me a $2,000 ticket for seat belt. Just true. Me not give you the $2,000. Or the $1,000 where you ask for. You see what I go on in the country? Then just come a road and just do what they have a like to do. Do what they feel like. Do what their mind tell them. Them now work with no rule and regulation. And my Prime Minister Andrew Holness I back them when them do them dirty sitting because Andrew Holness tell them to lift from vehicle man. I want to know if a vehicle man alone then can make money off of. Then can't make money off of nothing else. Everything, a vehicle man, them a tumble on everything pan. Vehicle man, them a tumble on everything pan. Because what? For your own vehicle, you must have money. Eh? People don't see what going on in the country. You eat a sweetie, a ice cement if you are traveling and you feel bad. Don't drop one ice cement. Don't drop one axe. Don't drop one horse. Don't drop one mint ball. You're going to get charged for it. They're going to say you eat. Imagine you have your own vehicle where you buy, license, insure. Your own vehicle. And you can't eat one sweetie in there. You can't eat one biscuit in there. You can't eat one patty in there. Your own vehicle. You own a vehicle, you can't eat one patina, you can't suck one ice cement or one mint ball. In your own vehicle where you work hard and sweat and buy. Turn around and license, insure and fitness it. You can't do as you ever like. Yeah, your woman can't come and you feel like you want to bust one little piece and you can't pull over and bust one little piece. You will get charged for. In your own private something. You see, country gone mad. People may tell you this. And remember me telling you and believe me telling you. Andrew Holness, I got charge you if you go through no gate. He might go charge you if you open the door. He might go charge you if you go sleep at night time. And on top of that, he might go charge you in time when you wake up back in the morning. I don't know walk on the road, I'm going to charge you. And that's the country I go. The country I go right down in the hole. Everything what you do, you have to go pay for. You talk, you have to go pay for. If you yarn, you have to go pay for your belch, you have to go pay for your fart, you have to go pay for your you have to go pay for sleep, you have to pay for wake up, you have to pay for. Remember me tell you, that's the country I go down in. And people want to like and share this to me. I want to get 10K more want it go. Like and share this. I swear to you, I'm not telling no lie. I swear to you, I'm not telling no lie. Police them out there, them ready eye. Ready eye. Because just to him see the money in my wallet, and him beg $1,000 and he don't get it. We can't deprive my pitney from him education to please the police. Or from him graduation to please the police. We're in our work. We are getting salary every month. You want me shorten my pitney money. My pitney graduation money you want me shorten. And give you $1,000 or $2,000. And 2 minutes do it. You give me $12,000 ticket. Yeah? $12,000 ticket. And my boy not afraid to give police money. Buy a water, buy a juice. And my vehicle ever straight. My vehicle ever straight, but what? Them out they stand up in the boiling sun. You see me? So if you give a police $1,000 or $2,000, I know nothing that to me. I know nothing that to me. But trust me, my heart hurt. If you know say me not do nothing wrong me not do. And get $12,000 ticket. One for speeding and one for seatbelt. You know what the wickedest thing, people? Me have on my seatbelt. And in a half a tree, as I tell you now, me can't speed. In a crossroad, you can't speed. New Kingston, you can't speed. A bumper to bumper. Big up on yourself, my people.
Alright, my people. I'm going to read so the words of the person are really and truly, it have been thinking, but there is at least one point when I make when I say valid. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, I say valid. Well, it's valid in a certain sense because if there's traffic, speeding, notice me say, if there's traffic, speeding might not be so easy to get if there is bumper to bumper trafficking. Notice me say if. Yes, I mean. And even if so, because of the amount of vehicles on the road, that might cause another problem. So all them things that I look at. But anyways, my people, let me read words from some comments from me say where that video have been posted on social media. See? So words in one comment from someone are take it the court. Take it the court. The judge will listen because they know police corrupt. Another comment have words in there. You cannot speed at crossroads. Take it to court. More comments there. Another comment, right? So take it to court, bro. But then the comment they read basic court mention, and then the comment there. Well, anyway, me say words in the comment say nobody can never speed a crossroad. And the words in the comment are I believe everything you said. So you see me people, everybody have their own opinion when it comes down to certain things. So what do you think? What do you think based on the words of the person saying in the video? Leave a comment or comments, let me know what you think, the people. And I'm going to move on to another topic. So I saw a video that shows one person on a motorcycle. The video also shows another person on a motorcycle, and both motorcycles were moving. One of those persons on one of those motorcycles is believed to be a law enforcer. And the video shows the person who is believed to be a law enforcer while on a moving motorcycle use one of his feet that's in a shoe to put on at least one part of a motorcycle that someone was on and was in motion. Now, my people, I can assume what was going on, you know. So, I say, and I know so some persons on social media might be thinking certain things when they see a situation like that. Now, because I don't have any confirmed information, I'm not sure what the situation might be about, but I am more leaning to a positive way of thinking based on what I see in the video. What do you think? Leave a comment or comments, let me know. On to another topic. So I saw an edited video posted on social media that shows a person holding what is believed to be a gun. And I got the understanding that the edited video had been posted on social media with some words and also information claiming that the man who you can see in the edited video had been arrested by police within the country of Guyana after the person had been seen with what is believed to be a gun. According to unconfirmed information that has been put out there, and I'm going to say allegedly, that the person who can be seen in the edited video holding what is believed to be a firearm or a gun was trying to take revenge for a person who had been killed by someone. The person who said to have been killed allegedly is believed to be or is said to be his brother. I did not get any confirmed information to determine about any injury or anything like that, but it is said that the person opened fire from what is believed to be a firearm, or some people might say a gun. So it is said that at some point, police somehow got information or understanding about the situation, and based on information put out there and based on some words that are put out there along with the edited video, it is said that the person had been arrested by police within the country of Guyana. So that's the information that I got, my people. I think here's where I'm going to leave it. So big up and respect to each and every one. If you're new to my channel, click the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post a video. Remember to click all, and until the next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Big up.
Hey, my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall Skilla.